So today I'm going to do my first ever tag video, and to be honest, I'm a little nervous actually. I don't know why, but I'm a little nervous because it's my first time. Yeah, if you always do your first time, you feel a little nervous. Yeah, that's what I'm feeling right now. And my hand feels a little cold. And yeah, I know it's weird, but yeah, I'm so happy actually. So I was tagged by my beautiful friend here in YouTube, Sis Ann de los Santos. Hi Sis Ann, thank you so much for tagging me. And hi Justin, you're so cute. Ang kulit-kulit mo, Justin. And I like you so much. So this tag is called the Makeup Story tag. So yeah, let's get on with it. I think I was in high school that time. Yeah, I was obsessed with curling my eyelashes. Yeah, that's my one obsession. That's the first thing that I wanted in makeup. Curling my lashes as well as putting some blushes into my cheeks. That's the only two things that I really been obsessed with when I was in high school. I don't know actually, but from what I remember, I just like to enhance those areas that, like for example, my eyes is always been uneven, and when I was in college I started using a black eyeliner on the upper lid. So yeah, I don't apply really here in the waterline. I just applied black eyeliner onto my upper lid. So yeah, just to enhance or correct some imperfections there. Yeah, because you know, we are not perfect. I guess I don't have something in particular because it depends on what type of makeup. Like for example, base makeup, eye makeup, and yeah, it really varies. I don't have a particular favorite brand. It's just basically enhancing already what you have. It's not really something that would totally change your appearance, but for me, makeup is something that enhances what I already have. And for me, makeup doesn't change me as a person. I am still the same me, but only better. That will be eyebrows, lashes, blush, and lip balm. Yep. I guess it gives the person a little confidence when wearing makeup, but not exactly making you too proud of yourself. That helps build my self-esteem and confidence. So yeah, I guess that's it. I don't have any particular preference whether it would be drugstore or high-end brands, because for me, I believe the competition is just the same, because from the drugstore you can find very good products also, and something that you cannot find in high-end brands, but there are also something from the high-end brands that you cannot find in drugstore. So for me, competition is just really leveling up, and I'm not very particular really with high-end, drugstore, affordable, expensive. As long as it performs, it delivers, it's good for me, because I do even use makeup from the 100 yen store, which is very affordable. So yeah, it doesn't really matter. Well, this is kind of hard. I think if you're a beginner, the most important thing to remember is just makeup is just makeup, and if you're doing your makeup, just have fun with it. You know, don't be too particular with it. Be honest, the first time is kinda, you know, when you're still in that stage where you're still struggling with your makeup, but eventually you will progress. So yeah, just keep on practicing. What could that be? I guess wearing those outrageous lipstick color, like blue, black, green. Yeah, I just cannot understand it, because where in the world would you wear something like that? And yeah, that is something that I cannot understand about makeup. It's just me. For me, it's very encouraging because people that I met here in YouTube, they are very, very beautiful and wonderful people. They always encourage and support and inspires me. Whenever I do new videos, they're always there, and I'm so thankful to meet those people. Oh my gosh, I felt like crying, but I'm just so happy that I met these people here, because there are only very few people around that inspires each other, and that's something that is really, really important. And that's what I see in the beauty community that I'm with right now, is these people are very, very inspiring and encouraging, and I thank you all so much for meeting all of you, even though, oh my gosh, I'm about to cry, even though no, we haven't met in person, but I'm so thankful that I have come to meet you here in YouTube, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry for that, guys. I know that I am such a crybaby sometimes. So yeah, that's my makeup story tag video, and I would like to tag a few people, of course, and I will be listing it on the description box too, so make sure to check the description box, guys. So yeah, that's my makeup story tag, and I really enjoy doing this tag actually, and it even made me cry. Oh my gosh, that was so so yeah, I hope you liked this one, and if you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, guys. I really appreciate that. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Love you. Peace.